It's good as you would read a philosophy book. And even if you don't practice it, your mindset is already shaped, probably in a healthier way. My name is Bastian Gruber. I live in Berlin for the past 5 to 6 years. I work with Coder Society now for the past 2 to 3 years. And yeah, I'm a software developer / craftsman / self-employed consultant. Right now I'm getting into the Rust programming language. So it's a new concept about thinking what a systems programming language can be. So you go basically super low level, but you have the features of a high level language at the same time. What's interesting about Rust is that it packs a lot of programming language features from the past, picks the best ones and try to even make them better, and packs them all into a new language. If Rust is business or pleasure, that's a good question. For now, it's both. I try to find a way, or I try to find a market where Rust can solve a problem, and a market is out there technically, but not yet in the mindset of many CTOs. So I expect actually in the next 2 to 3 years that the first major companies picked it up, and I think smaller ones will smell it and they will pick it up in the next 2 to 3 years. So that's interesting because this is all what a programming language is. It's like a country. If nobody would speak Swedish, then the language would be gone, and the same is with programming languages. Also, you can't develop a language just by yourself. So you need people to bring the language forward, to talk about it, to feedback new features, to build tools around it. And also it helps you to keep yourself motivated. So it's more of a cult than a necessity. But this is what a culture of programming is, I guess. For one, it helps again shape your mind about how a program should function and work. So I think it's good as you would read a philosophy book. And even if you don't practice it, your mindset is already shaped, probably in a healthier way. And if you learn this programming language, even if you wouldn't use it day to day, you would think different about software. On a technical point of view, if you come from Node, you have a lesser strict language, which makes you a bit more free in how to write code. And in Rust, you have many more rules of how you have to write your code. So this made me a bit more thoughtful about what I do and when I do it. So it's a bit more like a parent who is teaching you certain rules about how you should act in a society. It's a good clean up of your mind.